wanted to fully automatize the glass container forming process. This is the greatest challenge in the future for different reasons, from the economic and environmental ones to those related to safety, quality, and repeatability.
We're going to start with analyzing what are the main customer challenges, which are mainly decrease their carbon footprint, continue to increase their productivity, being able to find solutions for compensating the loss of competency and skill.
Several years back, we have started working on the target of a fully automatic glass container forming process, studying its complexity and the different sub-processes that influence the overall result. While deepening our knowledge in the detail of this challenge, some key aspects have emerged: the importance of feedback measurement from the process data and the need to apply artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques. Only this can lead the way to define a route toward an industrial solution of the problem.
It took us a long time. After 18 months discussion, it was obvious to us that creating GlassFORM.ai together was the right strategic decision. Why? Botero, Tiama, and now GlassFORM.ai combine all the skill and competency for meeting this challenge.
With Tiama, we have found an immediate fit in terms of ambition and targets to reach. The idea to create a specific company dedicated to this purpose has been an obvious consequence.
We are entering in a very, very innovative field. GlassFORM.ai being an independent company and focusing only on this activity, for us is the only way to achieve our goals. We need a lot of reactivity, flexibility, entrepreneur spirit. It was obvious to us that mixing traditional company model and startup model was not compatible at all.
Botero and Tiama have been working together for some time to define and improve the concept of process automation applied to the glass industry, having a common vision of how our industrial segment should evolve in the future.
Since the beginning, the hollow glass production relies a lot on the human intervention, being the management of modern glass to be turned into the final containers, a rather complicated and unstable process, depending on the many influencing factors, mainly related to the temperature and glass composition.
Among the last decade, many glass plants installed a lot of sensors to monitor as much as possible the hot-end process, but on a standalone mode. After years, those sensors started to be connected, delivering data, and on some occasion, we got a possibility to compare and correlate some information.
With this real data's culture maturity that has been grown, it is obvious today that we need to develop and propose the next level software solutions to glass plants. Thus, today, in this context, there is a huge need of process automation, as already demonstrated in other industrial segments, where the usage of modern technology related to artificial intelligence and machine learning perfectly suits, thanks to the availability of many data and measurements coming from a variety of sensors, which are at the basis of the big data theory.
Increased productivity, contained environmental impact, reducing the carbon footprint, increase operator safety, and cope with the lack of available expertise are the challenges to be taken. To continue to sustain glass as a material of the future, the glass industry needs to change its approach, becoming able to fully control and automatize its production processes.
What are the main concerns of a glass plant? Carbon footprint, less and less skills in the plant, operators constantly acting on a firefighting mode.
Bringing results with real automation is a major challenge in many industrial segments. If we look at the glass industry, where do we stand? We have more and more smart sensors, which provide detailed measurements on key process areas.
The average efficiency of a glass plant is between 85 to 90%, which is fairly low compared to other industries. There is a huge amount of data in a plant, but most of it is not used or exploited.
All this data can become the driver of the choices guiding production. Only with the last and most challenging step will we reach the target: big data analysis to create predictive models applicable to the process, translate data into information, and use the information to stabilize the whole production process. Once information is available, it will be used to feed closed-loop controls. At the same time, processed information will become a valuable tool in the hands of the operators.
We needed to find a solution to help our customers resolving these pain points. A solution based on all existing data available in a plant, using artificial intelligence, deep learning tools to determine the key parameters acting automatically on the process to improve the efficiency, simplify the life of the operators, and solving the loss of competencies.
This is the type of solutions which will be provided by GlassFORM.ai.